Do I have to step foot on here? Okay. Whoa, what's going on with my boat? Oh my god. Frick. Did you guys just see that? That was nuts. The thing was upside down. Yeah, like there should be some underwater. Oh, look at this. Freaking lava. Whoa. Where did my boat go? Oh my god, it's up in the freaking air again. So freaking weird. Whoa. That is cool looking, guys. Really freaking cool looking. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Sunkenland .2 update. My name is Rowdy Gaming. I will be your host. Early morning after a very exciting day. Well, a couple days actually. We made ourselves a sailboat and a motorboat. We got ourselves a ton of iron the other day. So I've just been kind of trying to cook some of that up. Today, my kind of goal is to get ourselves, fully suited up with some decent armor. We got to get some more Marlin's skin. And what else was there that we wanted to build? I believe in here, we're going to want to make this air filling station. And I would love to get a couple of things. Crafted up. We really need to find some electronics and get this advanced firearm bench done, because I don't believe making black powder firearms and their ammunition, I don't believe this is the one that we need to fix this gun. Disassembled damaged gun components can be recycled recycled on an automatic firearm recycling table. Automatic firearm recycling table. I do not know what that is. I really hope it's not down there. Anyways, I would love to get out and, how much is this air filling station? We got 10 ingot, 20, what do we have now? We have 8. Yeah, I want to put that in there. Anyways, let's take this motorboat out for a spin. See how this bad boy does. Oh my god, dude, the thing goes a freaking 110 kilometers. This is nuts. Oh, I freaking love it. Oh, we can go out wide with this thing. Alright, I want to try and get out and explore a little bit. Get some locations on our map here. Because this was apartments. Okay, so there isn't really... So we got this guy here. These guys don't look too freaking hard. What do you got? Crossbows? Oh man, are we gonna doing this? I only got freaking 27. Broadside of a barn with this thing. I would love to find a crossbow blueprint. Nailed that guy. These crossbow guys are like freaking bane of my existence. something's blocking him. Oh, he's almost out. Yes. Look at all you guys. See if we can freaking headshot all these guys. Oh, no. Wow, he is taking some freaking hits, dude. Is there somebody else on this boat? Oh, yeah. Yeah. What now? There's somebody else too. Yeah, I see you. Whoa. 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 I wonder if we can get enough freaking cloth off of these guys to put down a freaking flag. And then we'll bust down some stuff, throw a freaking flag down. Just a quick little raid. Alright, let's get a flag made. Oh, I still need more wood. Hopefully we're going to be able to get enough here. Because wood's been kind of... What I really need to do is just go out one day and... oh God, I need one more. I'm serious. Alright, let's get this guy made. Go down. We'll get up and get that safe up here. See if there's anything decent in it. I really love the freaking crossbow. Oh, the advanced cooker. I will take that. Nice. Okay, let me go do a drop. Okay, let's learn that. Yeah, we're gonna freaking make one of those. Let's just get some stuff off of us here. That should be fine. And then we'll come back later and completely finish looting this thing up. Oh, we got some freaking cabbage. Lots of scrap too. Alright, let's, like I wanted to do, let's go out and just discover, everything's like way out here. We got some fuel, so we should be good. Oh, this thing is freaking sweet, dude. I am loving this. Love to discover a couple new locations here too. Oh, there's some lava down there. Oh, that's gonna be cool. What do we got here? Okay, more mutants. We'll come back to you guys. Okay, we gotta keep an eye on our fuel. We got 5 liters, but yeah, so I just kind of want to freaking get out, find out where everything is, where everybody is. We're missing a ton of locations on our map too. Kind of just want to know where everything is. They reworked this motorboat. This thing is freaking hauling. Okay, who do we have here? These more mutants, marauders. Come on. What's the location here? Do I have to step foot on here? Okay. Whoa, what's going on with my boat? Oh my god. Frick. Did you guys just see that? That was nuts. The thing was upside down. Alright, let's zig over here. Let's hit this over here. Oh my god, I can't believe that boat was upside down. That was wild. Alright, what do we got over here? did not check this out. Who is this? Yeah, because there's a ton of underwater locations that we haven't discovered yet either. And I'm really wanting to know where some are, so that we can try and hit up some electronics and stuff. What do we have here? This is a new base, Marauder. They don't look too hard. Yeah, like there should be some underwater. Oh, look at this. Freaking lava. Whoa. Where did my boat go? Oh my god, it's up in the freaking air again. So freaking weird. Whoa. That is cool looking, guys. Really freaking cool looking. Yeah, so that freaking lava's cool, and my boat flying up in the air is even cooler. So we are like just missing a ton of locations on our map. Like ooh, there's Drowned Downtown, okay. That's one. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for all these things. What do we got here? Okay, Sea Viper. Marauders. Yeah. Oh, here's police station. This is where there's going to be a lot of electronics. But there's usually sharks. Yep. Wonder if I can scoot down underneath him real quick and just snag a few of these electronics. One, two. Okay, let's get back up. There's one more spot that has electronics there. Just make sure these sharks aren't following us. What? Are they coming after me? Am I still pissed? Okay. Now let's just scope this out. Where is that other... There's another like transformer down here somewhere that has electronics. How's my inventory looking? Full. Okay. Let's offload a bit. Oh my god, that music is like freaking me out. Oh, there's so much freaking storage in here, I forgot. Do I have any food yet? What are they? Are they like... They're still freaking pissed. Come on, let me into the boat. Okay, get away from them. There. And let's just scope this out a little bit more here. I'd love to get down there and get some more electronics. Maybe even this safe. I can see the frickin' bubbles. This is probably really stupid. Oh my god, the backpack. Come on, go. I'm willing to take a freaking hit. There's the boat. Yep, willing to take a health hit for that. Okay. Wow. Okay. Yeah, the military backpack. And we got some broken army. Okay. Didn't even get to the freaking... yeah, let's put that on. That looks cooler. Okay. Freaking me out a little bit. Alright. I did not see that other transformer. Okay, I'm gonna try to get down one more time. This is probably really, really stupid. Oh shit, there's a shark. Oh yeah. Holy frickin', oh, there it is. Take it all. Go, 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 go. Oh shit, oh shit. This is not good. Not good. We're gonna frickin' get hurt bad. No, we're not doing too bad. We're not doing too bad. No, we're not doing too bad. Get in the boat. Okay. What do we get? Weapons display. Oh, that's cool. We got another broken vest. AK high-tech receiver. Oh, okay, we're getting stuff that I'm not looking for, but I really want those electronics. Oh, I think I see it. No, I don't. Huh. Well, anyways, let's get moving. We got some pretty decent stuff. Where the frick did the boat go now? How did I get that far away from it? Okay, we got some decent stuff out of that. Let's get moving. Let's go discover this place. I would love to hit up some cop cars too, but... Okay, there's the Civic Center. What is this? This is Marauders, I know that. Come on, tell me what base it is. It's still saying that we're in Civic Center. Here it is. Okay, Iron Skull. There's gotta be some more locations around here. Yeah, so those electronics are gonna help us out with that bench. Okay, so this is Civic Center. What does this place look like underwater? Wow, it's freaking huge. It's way down there. We're gonna need our little buggy for that. Oh, wrong seat. And then, yeah, we haven't discovered this yet. Oh, there's a lot of stuff out here, guys. Like the amusement park, is that still a thing? What do we got here? Oh, the slavers. They're a pretty rugged bunch. Alright. Well, we're just gonna haul ass back home. Kinda wanted to just get out and explore a little bit in this episode. Didn't really want to do a ton. Electronics were the main thing to look for. If we're ambitious, I would love to get back to the police station and snag those police cars at some point, but we'll deal with that when the time comes. Can we discover this yet? There it is. Alright, everybody. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, everybody. I'm going to be leaving the episode off here. Hope everybody has a great rest of their day. This is Rowdy Gaming, signing off.